Hi everybody, Akash Shankar here. Packing credits are typically provided for a short period of time, usually up to 180 days, to cover the cost of packing and shipping of goods. These are secured products. Packing credit is usually secured by the export shipment or by a letter of credit or property. Packing credits are low interest rates. They are usually offered in Indian currency or foreign currency. Packing credit in foreign currency are 50% cheaper than packing credit in Indian currency. Packing credit is easy to obtain and the loan is secured with export shipment and the risk with the lender is low as the purpose is fixed. It's important for a business to carefully review the terms and conditions of packing credit as well as to compare the different options before taking a decision. Please get in touch with an 𝐚𝐚𝐠𝐞𝐲 loan agent who could help you with the same. If you like the content of the video, please subscribe to 𝐚𝐚𝐠𝐞𝐲.